Now let's go ahead and create these separated wood pieces. So first of all, I'm going to the side view and I'm going to make sure that the lines matching the lines on the image as you see here. So I'm going to change just a little bit of some lines there to keep the flow. So I'm going to move that up and it's pretty good now. So I need to separate these pieces as you see to create these wood pieces. So I'm going to the perspective view and then I'm going to right click and choose face. And now if I want to select the loop, I can just select one face and hold shift and double click on the next face. So as you see, I selected the loop there. So now we need to extract that. So I'm going to edit mesh and then extract. So now as you see, we have a piece here. So I'm going to repeat that for the next line. Select the face and shift and select the next face, double click on the next face to select the loop, and then again edit and extract. So now let's add a thickness to it. So let's hold shift on the keyboard and right mouse button and click on extrude. And I'm going to add a thickness about 0.1. And I'm going to do that for the next one. You can hold shift and right mouse button, or you can go to edit mesh and then extrude. And let's add 0.1 there. And let's do it for the next one. You can hit G on the keyboard to repeat the last action. G and 0.1. So now if I select everything there and hit 3 on the keyboard, as you see we are losing the shape. So now it's time to add the loops there. So let's shift and right mouse button and insert edge loop. I'm going to insert edge here and one here, and for the next one here and one here, and for the next one too here. And I don't want to add at the bottom, so let's see 3. As you see, we still have this gap there. So the reason is because we need to add the edges from the inside too. So let's click on the isolate button so we can focus on one piece. So let's insert an edge loop there, and I'm going to insert some edges there too, and here and here and here, just to give it nice sharp edge, as you see. Great. And let's click on isolate. Let's move to the next one, isolate, and let's add the edges there too. One there and one here and one here and another one here and another one here. So let's move on to the next one, isolate, and I'm going to insert edge there and there too. So let's see that. Let's isolate and let's hit 3 on the keyboard. So as you see, we have a really nice edge on the ship. Great.